Hey, from our playing doctor with tropical fruit department comes this tasty tale. Tie a banana peel like this for a week and see what happens to your body. Really, yeah, it's for real. So, what do you do after you've eaten a banana? You probably throw the peel away, right? Well, hold your horses, or maybe hold your monkeys would be more apropos. A banana peel is a magical thing that can help you tackle problems with corns, calluses, acne, and even psoriasis. Come on, have you ever seen a chimpanzee with acne? Me neither! It can even remove that nasty splinter that's been bothering you since this morning. In this video, you'll learn a bunch of banana tricks to apply this appealing peel so that you'll never want to toss another one again. But first of all, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Now you'll be the first to get to know about the new videos that appear daily on the bright side of life. Counting down from number 10. Banana peel can remove a nasty splinter. We've all had to deal with splinters at least once in our life. How do you get rid of them? By using sterilized needles? Oh, ouch! Luckily, we have some really good news for you. You can remove a splinter or a sliver of glass without any pain. All you need is the peel of a ripe banana. The banana peel contains enzymes that have a pulling effect. They will help bring a foreign object to the surface of your skin. First of all, cut a square piece from a ripened banana peel and cover the affected area with it. The pulp side of the peel should be against your skin. Hold the peel in place and secure it with some surgical tape. Leave this bandage on overnight. By the morning, the banana peel will have drawn the splinter to the surface of your skin. It should be very easy to remove it using a pair of tweezers. If you're lucky, the splinter will already be in the peel when you take the bandage off. If the splinter is torturing you by sitting deeper than you expected, you'll probably need to leave the banana peel on for several nights. Just don't forget to use a fresh piece of peel every time. Number 9. Banana peel can help you get rid of corns and calluses. Doctors often tell you that corns or calluses on your feet can come off only with surgery. Don't rush to go under the knife. Try using a banana peel first. To do this, place the banana peel along your foot with the pulp side down and pull on a sock. Be careful not to remove the peel. Wear this banana sock overnight. You might dream about monkeys. Or not. Repeat this procedure every night and, if you can, leave it on during the day as well, until you feel those calluses and corns aren't bothering you anymore. Remember to replace the peel as soon as it turns black. Even if you don't have problems with corns and calluses, applying a banana peel to your feet will make them supple and soft. Right, guys? Yeah. Number 8. Banana peel can ease bruises. Banana peel won't rid you of a bruise completely. However, it will alleviate the pain and improve your condition. Banana peel contains a mixture of enzymes known to thin the blood. Cut a piece of banana peel. It shouldn't be much bigger than your bruise. Secure it to the affected area with surgical tape. Leave this bandage overnight and remove it in the morning. Another way to treat a bruise is to rub a piece of banana peel over the sore area for a couple of minutes several times a day. The banana peel will reduce discoloration and speed up the healing process. Now, if we could just buy a banana that doesn't itself bruise, then it would be perfect. Number 7. Banana peel can relieve pain. According to the Pain Research Institute, banana peel can serve as a natural painkiller. To feel better, apply a piece of peel to the painful area. You should feel some relief rather quickly. Banana peel can remove warts. Banana peel is successfully used to get rid of warts. You should tape a piece of banana peel to the wart with pulp side down with the use of a bandage, surgical tape, or a strong band-aid. Keep it there until the peel turns completely black, which will most likely happen after several days. After that, Replace it with a fresh piece of banana peel. You may need to do this for several weeks, but in the end, the unwanted wart will disappear. Those who have tried this method say that warts just peel off like pieces of dead skin. Number 5. Banana peel effectively fights acne. Due to the antioxidants that banana peel contains, as well as a carotenoid vitamin related to vitamin A, it can reduce inflammation and treat acne-affected skin. You need to pick a ripe banana. Peel it, tear off a piece of its peel, and use it to rub your face gently. The pulp side should be against your skin. Massage your skin for about 10 minutes. If the peel becomes black, replace it with another piece. If it's at all possible, don't rinse your skin until the end of the day. Hey, nobody will see it. They'll just think you smell delicious. Alternatively, you can rub your face with banana peel before going to bed so that it stays on overnight. You can wash it off in the morning. Repeat this procedure for several days. After some time, you'll notice positive changes. Acne will either start to disappear or become much less red. Number 4. Use a banana peel to treat poison ivy rash. You can also use the peel of a banana to treat a poison ivy rash. To soothe the affected skin, rub a piece of banana peel over the rash, pulp side down. This will also provide a nice cooling effect. If your skin is too sore to rub anything on it, scrape the insides of the peel with a knife. Apply the resulting paste to the affected skin and leave for several hours. This will help reduce inflammation as well as irritation. Number 3. Your mosquito bites will feel better thanks to a banana peel. Banana peel has an anti-inflammatory effect and can also reduce the pain caused by mosquito bites. You can either rub the banana peel over the place of the bite for several minutes or prepare a paste to apply. If you choose the second option, scrape the insides of a banana peel and put this paste on the place of the bite. Leave it there for an hour and then remove it with cold water. This procedure will reduce the size and redness of a mosquito bite. It will also alleviate itching and provide a cooling effect. Number 2. Banana peel can heal psoriasis. Now, psoriasis is a skin condition that's pretty painful and bothersome. It may affect the skin on different parts of the body. Banana peel contains antioxidants and vitamins, which protect the skin and make it soft. But more importantly, it has natural cooling, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory properties. That's why banana peel can ease the symptoms of this unpleasant skin condition. All you need to do is rub a piece of banana peel over the affected area for several minutes until the peel turns black. The pulp side should, of course, be against your skin. Leave it this way for a half an hour. Afterward, wash the area with lukewarm water. Repeat this procedure 3 times a day for several weeks. At the end of the period, you'll notice that the symptoms of psoriasis have become less prominent. Number 1. Banana peel can protect you from UV rays. Banana peel can be used to protect the eyes from damaging UV rays, although you'll need to get a banana peel inside your body to achieve this effect. The peel is rich in lutein, which encourages the regeneration of retinal cells. This is good news for your night vision. In addition, this compound protects the cells of your eyes from harmful UV rays. How come banana peel has so many medicinal uses? Well, banana peel is 3 times richer in nutrients than the fruit itself. It contains many elements beneficial for the health of your body, skin, hair, and teeth. Banana peel can supply you with potassium, an incredibly important element your body needs to build muscles. The peel also contains large amounts of soluble and insoluble fiber, which can lower your cholesterol levels. The tryptophan that banana peel contains will improve the quality of your sleep and can even treat insomnia. Banana peel is rich in antioxidants. This is the very reason why it's so good for treating skin problems. But that's not the end of the story. On top of that, banana peel compounds protect the cells of your body from mutations that may lead to cancer. Banana peel also contains the nutrients that make red blood cells stronger. As a result, these cells have no problems dispatching oxygen to all body tissues. Banana peel also contains high levels of lutein. This compound plays a crucial role in preventing macular degeneration and cataracts. Some really great benefits from the long curved yellow fruit, huh? I guess the only downside here is that you might occasionally smell like monkey farts. But it's a small price to pay. Hey, have you ever used a banana peel for medicinal purposes? Tell us in the comments below about your experience. And remember to hit that like button if you think this video might help you deal with any health problems in the future. See you next time!